journal entry of business commenced by Shri Maulik Shah with a name of Shah Traders. So write the heading Journal of Shah Traders. 2014 July 1. Bought 50,000 cash, debtors 20,000, stock of goods 10,000, and creditors of 5,000 and commence the business. Now cash, debtors, stock of goods are our assets, so we debit them, and creditors are our liabilities, so we credit them. So write the entry 2014 July 1st. Cash account debit. Cash account debit amount is 50,000. Debtors account debit 20,000. Stock of goods account debit 10,000. To creditors account 5,000 and to capital account. We'll take the balancing figure. 50,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000 minus 5,000 is 75,000. Leave space for narration. You can write it later as part of your homework. Okay. Now, second, deposited cash 20,000 with Vijaya Bank and opened account. So what's the entry? Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. So bank account debit 20,000. What? Just bank is fine. If you write Vijaya Bank, that is also fine. To bank account debit to cash account. Cash goes out. You leave space for narration. Any doubt? Then goods of. Should I proceed?
Yes.
Okay. Third, goods of 20,000 purchased from Sumul at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount, paid half the amount by check. So we'll have to do the working. Okay, let's do the working. Goods 20,000. I'll do it over here. Third, goods 20,000 minus 10% trade discount is 2,000. So 18,000. A. Net purchases. Now how much amount is settled? Half amount? Half amount. So 18,000 into 1 by 2, which is 9,000. Now discount at the time of payment is 10%. So minus 10% cash discount. 900. 8,100. Check. Given. C is amount payable to Sumul. A minus B. A minus B is 9,000. All of you are now comfortable with the working? Yes. Okay, now इससे ही entry बच जाएगा purchase. So purchase account debit 18,000 to Sumul account, because we have to pay money 9,000. We have to record the name to bank account 8,100. and to discount account 900. Do working as a part of this only. A furniture of 15,000 purchased on credit from Puneet Furniture Mart. Carriage of 100 paid in cash. So what is the total cost of furniture? 50,100. So likho furniture comes in debit furniture account. Furniture account amount is 15,100. Now 15,000 worth furniture we have purchased, but are we giving 15,000 to the person? No. So who is the giver? Puneet Furniture Mart is the giver. Credit the giver to Puneet Furniture Mart account 15,000. And 2, we paid carriage in cash. So to cash account 100. To cash account 100. Defective goods of 3,000 returned to Sumul. We purchased from Sumul. Now we are returning goods back to Sumul. So who is the receiver? Sumul is the receiver. Debit the receiver. Sumul account debit 3,000 to purchase return account. $3,000. To purchase return account 3,000. Next, again, partial credit and cash transaction. Sixth one. Goods of 12,000 sold to Rajshri at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount, paid half the amount by check. So whenever such transactions come, we have to do the working. Let's do the working for date 6 goods. How much worth of goods are getting sold? 12,000 minus trade discount 10%. 1,200, so 10,800 is A, net sales. B, half amount 5,400 minus 10% cash discount 540. 4860. Check amount. And C, amount receivable from Rajshri, A minus B. A minus B is 5,004. Now, very simple. From this we can directly make the entry. Rajshri account debit, bank account debit, discount account debit to sales account credit. So we write the entry. Rajshri account debit 5,400, bank account debit 4860, discount account debit 540 to sales account 10,800. Okay, now 8 transaction. Goods of 15,000 sold to Mahendra on cash. On cash. Mahendra on cash. So here we don't have to record the name. At 10% trade discount and 10% cash discount. So we have to calculate on both trade discount also and cash discount also. Let's do the working goods. 15,000 minus 10% trade discount 1500, 13,500. Net sale. Full amount 13,500 minus 10% cash discount 1350 12150. You sold for cash, so cash account debit, cash comes in 12150. Discount account debit 13502. Sales account 13,500. Important 10th one. Withdrawn goods of 300 and cash of 200 for personal use. Now, how much we are withdrawing? 300 goods and 200 cash. So total 500. Who is the receiver? Owner is the receiver. 10. Drawings account debit 500 to cash account. Cash goes out 200 and goods goes out 300. So to purchase account. Purchase plastic bags of 200 for goods packing by cash. So we can write office expense, packing expense, sundry expense, miscellaneous expense to cash. Anything we can write sundry expense or miscellaneous expense account debit to cash account. Or 2000 paid by check for salary and wages. What will be the journal entry? Salary and wages account debit to bank account credit. 12. Salary and wages account debit 2000 to bank account 2000. Bad debts took place 300 which was due from Rajshri. So we had to receive money from Rajshri but अब ये पैसा मिलेगा नहीं. So क्या हो गया? Loss. Bad debt is our loss. So 13. Bad debts account debit. Amount is 300 to Rajshri account. 300. Next one. Due to additional requirement of funds, 12% loan of 25,000 obtained from Axis Bank. What comes in? Cash comes in. Okay, so we write down 14. Now over here, it can be cash, it can also be bank because we are taking a loan from the bank. So it can happen that bank will directly give the amount in our bank account. So you clarify with your school teachers when you are doing this कि इसमें cash लिखना है या bank लिखना है. Okay, so cash or bank as taught in school. Account debit 25,000 to 12% Axis Bank loan account 25,000. 12% is the rate of interest. Goods of 2,000 destroyed by fire for which insurance company admitted claim of 1500, यानी insurance company has said कि वो हमें 1500 रुपीस देगा, अभी तक पैसा दिया नहीं है, and realized 200, यानी we got 200 by selling those bought goods. So what comes in? Cash comes in. Cash account debit 200. How much we have to take from insurance company? 1500. Receiver of claim, it's our asset. Insurance company account debit 1500. कितने का लॉस हो गया? 300 का लॉस. So loss by fire account debit 300 to purchase account 2000. To purchase account 2000. Life insurance premium of son 450 and fire insurance premium 550 paid by check. What is life insurance premium? Drawings. So लिखो drawings account debit 16. Drawings account debit 450. Fire insurance premium account debit 550. Paid by check, so bank account credit 1000. Nirma company gave 30 number of soap free of cost as sample. यानी हमें तो free में ही मिला. So it is a non-economic transaction because we have received goods free. But after that, what did we do with those samples? We sold it, so a transaction is taking place. What comes in? Cash comes in. Likho 18, cash account debit 250. To sales account 250. We receive free anything, it's a non-economic transaction. but जो free मिला उसको हमने sell किया, so it's a transaction. Cash comes in, goods goes out. Okay. 20th, received 100 from Rajshri for bad debts return of. Now ध्यान दो, bad debts को डेबिट किया, we debited a loss account. Okay, when it was confirmed that Rajshri is not going to pay us the money, but Rajshri ने हमें फिर भी कितना पैसा दिया? Thereafter 100 rupees दिया. Okay, now what comes in? Cash comes in. Cash account debit 100. Can I say because I got this 100, it's a reduction of my loss? My loss decrease. So we credit to bad debts recovery account or recovered account. You understood this? Do not credit Rajshri. It is reduction of our loss. जिसको loss माना था, अब उसमें से 100 rupees recover किया. Axis Bank has charged loan interest of 250. So bank has charged us interest, so it's our expense. लिखो interest on loan account debit 250 to bank account 250 to bank account 250. Paid 2000 for painting work of personal building and 1000 for painting work of shop. तो उसमें personal building का जो खर्चा किया वो क्या है? Drawings. So लिखो drawings account debit 28. Drawings account debit 2000. Then painting work of shop. So repairs and maintenance of shop account debit 1000 to cash account 3000. I'll repeat. Drawings account debit 2000. Repairs and maintenance of shop account debit to cash account 3000. Point. Pay internet connection deposit 2000 by check. It's a deposit. यानी जब हम वो connection cancel करेंगे, we can take this money back. So we debit internet connection deposit account debit. Internet connection deposit account debit 2000 to bank account 2000.